Hey guys, my name is Ethan, this is Carberra. Welcome to a little different video. This is just going to be a little talky video to say that I hit 500 subscribers, and I also hit a few other goals too. Now before I get into this properly, I know that this video is very late. I do have my reasons for that, but I will talk about those a little bit later. But first, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's come to the channel in the last few months and helped support it, because I have hit a number of goals in very quick succession, and I had stuff planned for pretty much all of them. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be talking about now. Then I'm going to be explaining why I haven't uploaded so much recently, and then that leads very nicely into stuff that's coming up in the future. The first goal we hit, I'm going to go in the order of goals that we hit. So the first goal was 250 members of the Discord server, which we hit on the 28th of July 2020, so it's about 2 weeks ago. So yeah, I'm pretty late. We've now hit 300. We're now past 300, so this goal is really late. What I was going to do for 250 is some sort of big old voice chat. I don't know whether I want to live stream it yet, but I'll have more information about that in the actual Discord server when I work out a little bit more about what's going to happen there. But I wanted to wait until I did this video before trying to plan that, so I could work out how everything was going to happen there. The next goal was the 500 subscriber mark, which we hit just 2 days later on the 30th of July 2020. 500 subscribers is it's kind of a crazy number in a way. It's tiny, it's absolutely minuscule in the grand scheme of things. But to think that a few months ago this channel wasn't even on 100 subscribers, and when I hit that I was like, oh my god, there's 100 subscribers, that's so many. And then in the last few months things have just taken off, and I'm now getting 150 subscribers a month pretty much, and I'm set to hit 1,000 by the end of the year, which is mad. So I just want to thank everyone for stopping by, and I want to thank every single person who looked at a video and thought, yes, I want more of that, and hit that subscribe button, because that's really nice of you to do and I really appreciate it, especially as the underdog in the field that I've accidentally majored in, which is Discord bots. I was going to do a tech tour, well I still am going to do a tech tour, 500 subscribers, but I can't do that right now. I hit the goal a lot earlier than I anticipated, so I haven't actually got all the stuff that I want to show off yet, because I'm going to be buying a lot more stuff when I go back to uni. The reason I'm waiting until then is just for logistical reasons. It's easier to do everything up there and then just have everything up there rather than buy everything down here and then have to move it halfway across the country. So I don't have half the stuff that I want to do. So I am going to wait and hold off until maybe about mid-September, potentially early October, depending on when I actually get the stuff. But I will do that tech tour as soon as possible. It will probably be more a 750 subscriber special at that point, but it's a thing. And then just a few days after that, we actually hit 50,000 views. Hit that on the 3rd of August. So that was pretty much exactly a week ago now, which is pretty mad. The views really caught me off guard. I didn't realise we were getting close until I looked and saw it on 47,000. I was like, oh my goodness. Now what I was going to do for 50,000 views was a Q&A/AMA. So a question and answers, or ask me anything. So if you have any questions about me or the channel, preferably not so much serious and coding based stuff, feel free to leave them down in the description below. I will make an announcement in the Discord server as well for people. I'll only do that video if I get enough questions. I honestly don't know if the size of the community we have is really enough to get a Q&A video out, so this is just kind of an experiment to see. If not, I'll do one at 100,000 views when the channel's a bit bigger. But you know, I've always wanted to do like a Q&A type thing, because I've always liked watching Q&A stuff. I've always liked finding stuff out about people, so I want to do one myself. Because I think that would be cool, and I don't know, we'll see how many people think that would be cool, but yeah. So those are sort of the main goals for now. The next goals for each, so 500 Discord members, I'm going to be doing a Nitro giveaway. 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a face reveal on the channel, so that should be fun. And then 100,000 views, I haven't decided what I'm doing yet. If you have any ideas, then leave them down below. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone that has come along. I know I said this at the start, but I want to say it again. I want to thank everyone that's subscribed to the channel, everyone that's even viewed a video, everyone that's commented, everyone that's liked, because the likes are through the roof. I'm actually completely blown away by the amount of likes I get on videos. I was not expecting that at all. I'm blown away by the number of patrons I've already got. Like, for a channel with 500 subscribers, even though it fluctuates a bit, because Patreon's a bit weird like that. I wasn't expecting really to be making any money on Patreon at this stage, so it's really cool that people are so damn generous. And regardless whether or not you're just in the server, the channel, you just view, whether you're a Patreon or however you're contributing to the community, I really do appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the content to come. With that in mind, I'd like to talk very quickly about the reasons I haven't uploaded so much over the last week or two. I know taking a break on YouTube is basically the death of a channel, but thankfully that hasn't really happened. Predominantly, I presume, because of the streams. So for anyone who doesn't know, I did some Discord.py streams to plan the Music Bot series that I'm going to be recording, and I'm going to start recording immediately after I finish recording this video. And those streams took up pretty much my entire recording window for about a week. I'm glad I did them. They were fun to do. People definitely seem to really enjoy them, so I'm going to be continuing to do them in the future. But I did not have the extra recording time to do any videos during that period. And then after that period ended, I was getting really close to finishing, or at least getting to like a really big milestone in a personal project of mine. For anyone that's seen Solaris, or as it used to be called, S4, in the Carberra Tutorials Discord server, or potentially even around. It's in a few servers at the moment, not on Discord bots, but it is around a little bit. Anyone that's seen that, I've been working on that, trying to get the version 1.0.0 out, so that's been taking a lot of my time. And also, it is insanely hot in the UK right now, which has been causing all sorts of issues with regards to recording windows and such. I plan to get at least 1 or 2 done now, so I can just kind of wait a bit until it's cooler and then do a lot of stuff on Friday, Saturday, Sunday in time for Monday. Well, I'll have Monday's video ready, but you get what I mean. But yeah, those are just the reasons that I haven't been recording so much. It's just been with the streams and everything, the time is, the amount of free time I've had has been very limited, so I appreciate everyone's patience. But as I alluded to before, the Discord.py music series is going to be starting soon. I put a provisional start date in the Discord server of the 19th of August for YouTube and the 17th of August for Patreon early access, and I don't see a reason why that would change now. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to get the series started on those original dates. In about a week or so, that series is going to start. And I know when I was doing the Discord.py series, I got a lot of requests for it, and I know people are very excited for it, and people have been very eager to see it, so I'm glad that's finally going to be starting. But yeah, once again, I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been around, and I hope you enjoy the stuff to come. So, see ya.